apartment. Who dis? So we were supposed to leave today. Actually, in a couple hours was our flight. I still have to cancel it. But we said, let's stay 3 more days and actually see all of Bonaire, because we might not be back, even though it's awesome. So we got this place over here at Bay of Breeze. It's a full-on apartment. You walk in, actually before you even walk in, we got a whole patio out there, and a picnic table there, pool over there. I'll show you guys that stuff later. But full-on kitchen. Do some cooking, because there's not too many restaurants in the area. We walk in here, we got a lifesaver, a washing machine. We've been needing that. Couldn't find many laundry places around here. Got the shower. Not the best shower. Well, good shower head though. Go across to this room. 2 beds over here. We have room for extra people. Come along. Come over here. Master king bedroom. AC and all of this, because you definitely need it. It's hot out here today. Every day is hot here. And plenty of storage room in here. Boom. Just a quick tour. Alright, let's go and explore for the next 3 days. Alright, airport's right there, our place down there. We took a quick little 7-minute walk coming down to the beach. Not much shoulder on the road though, so be cautious. We're gonna go get some food. We got 2 food trucks over there. You got Stoked and Kite City. Which one to go to? Alright, we can go there.
I don't know, either one.
That one's open later, so maybe we'll have that after. So first, let's go try this. They have a good tuna burger right here. Down here at Te Amo Beach, Kite City. Kite City. We came over here to Kite. Got the tuna burger. They put this nice sauce on the chips over here. Let me show you the tuna. Whew. All right, did you try it, Del?
Not yet.
Wind is blowing all my chips though, and we got this view at the beach. Almost forgot to mention, they make a homemade sangria. The guy's from Portugal, he's really cool. And this was super good. I tried it, Dallas. I wasn't gonna have any. It's like, oh, that's too good not to have. Cheers. All right, this one's Te Amo Beach, right?
I think so.
It's pretty busy, but not too much sand over here. So we're gonna go explore what other beaches they have here to offer. So I think we gotta go beyond this to find the other 2. Let's see if we can go out to this pier. Actually, it already looks locked up and there's barbed wire. So I guess that answers no. Guess can't get to this pier. They got barbed wire all over this thing. I'm sure people were climbing it before, so they had to stop them. What's so important about this pier? Someone could easily get in right here. People put rocks up, boom, easy to jump over. I'm not gonna do it though. All right, let's go beyond and see if there's another good beach. Down there didn't seem as good. It's just getting really rocky, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. Let's go back to Te Amo Beach. I love that one. It is a windy day out here, and we've got the clouds rolling in. You can take that as a good thing or a bad thing. Pretty good for me though. Looks like the carnival crew's leaving for the day. There's still one other one over there. This is the first day we've seen 2 actually, so it's pretty busy out here right now. But goodbye, carnival. This is the other food truck over here, Stoked. Te Amo Beach. They've got burgers, sandwiches, wraps, and more. here at Stoked, waiting for our food. We got the planes coming in. Tui, probably from Amsterdam.
I got the mango falafel.
Let's see the inside. Ooh, that thing's stuffed.
It's loaded.
Looks good.
Banana peppers, a bunch of sauce.
Nice. With a view. So I got a burger, which was delicious. But the star of the show, these potato wedges. These came out way better than I expected. They were fully loaded and very good. Trouble in paradise. We had a rental car reservation with Avis. Went over there, walked to the airport to get to the car. And then once I got there, they said, oh, we don't have your car. And I was like, what? I made a reservation. They're like, well, the system's messed up or something. So anyways, I walked around with Adele to a bunch of other rental car places, and not a single one had a car. So we're stranded on an island with no car. It really sucked. And I don't know what to do now, but kind of killed our plans. We were going to go all around the island and explore. That's why we extended our trip. Now it's screwed. We didn't get a rental car, but we got a tour. We did a full day tour that went to all the major spots on the island. I highly recommend it. It was a great time. It was a beautiful day, as usual in Bonaire. So hit subscribe to see that episode next.